Bitcoin can explode any moment now, and exactly that and much more important information like Trump's inauguration, Trump's meme coins, and a lot more information I need to talk about within this new update video. So make sure you're ready. Make sure to first of all leave a like on my last video and this video. Make sure to subscribe on the channel so you will never miss out on update videos like this. And let's just dive in all the important information directly over here, guys, because I have been preparing a lot, because there's happening a lot. And let's just first of all take a look at Trump official's meme coin, which is going absolutely parabolic. I woke up this morning at like $41, and right now we have already been trading at $70 all-time high over here. And after that, it saw like a big rejection to the downside, back to $55, and now it's back at 60. So yeah, it's absolutely crazy what has been happening with this meme coin right now. And I want to take a deeper dive into this coin later today and give you my honest opinion about it. But in this video, I just want to focus about the effects from the upcoming inauguration tomorrow on Bitcoin and altcoins, and of course that imminent short term for Bitcoin over here. So let's just dive in the information directly, because we can basically be seeing that after the election, Bitcoin literally always goes parabolic, and the same goes for the total too. And I have been talking about this for all the past few videos on this channel, so I hope you understand this right now. Both Bitcoin and altcoins are about to go parabolic after the inauguration, because history is exactly showing this point. It's about to happen again. History is about to repeat here. And I think, for example, on Ethereum, which is lagging behind quite a lot right now, will catch up after this inauguration. It can literally get very crazy, because right now we are already seeing, for example, that Solana is going absolutely parabolic. It's going absolutely parabolic, guys. It seems like altcoin season is literally on the verge of starting, and of course it has a lot to do with the Trump coin right now, but it's also an indicator that altcoin season is so close right now. And we can basically see that Bitcoin is still trading in its bullish pennant. It has broken out of this bullish pennant over here, and right now we are trying to confirm the breakout over here. We're trying to see that massive bullish retest over there for that massive continuation high, and we could be looking at price targets over 175k. So that's definitely looking very promising in my opinion. And if we take a look at the bigger perspective, we can basically see that if we take away this and this cycle, or this and this, I mean, yeah, so basically we have the 2017 cycle, which is the orange line over here, and we have the red line, that's basically the cycle we're in right now. And we can be seeing that we have been following the 2017 cycle very closely, and that is also exactly the year, and this is also exactly the time that the Trump inauguration took place in 2017 and will take place right now in 2025 tomorrow. So the cycle has been perfectly following 2017, so why wouldn't we like expect a massive surge to the upside? Of course, we have to keep some diminishing return in mind, but it's going to be absolutely crazy, because we also know this, and now we know this, the inauguration is going to have such a positive effect on Bitcoins. It's literally inevitable in my opinion. And yeah, we can see that we are still trading in this supply zone over here. We are about to break out of the supply zone. I hope to see a little bit of more consolidation here above that critical 102k level I have been previously talking about in my videos. And if we can stay above the supply zone, maybe consolidate a little bit, we hopefully can take off into price discovery over here. If we break down the supply zone, we will go back to the demand zone, or we will get close to the demand zone, of course, but it's looking very good and positive right now. And I'm expecting new Bitcoin all-time highs next week, to be fair, because we can also basically see, and this is like the craziest chart in my opinion for Bitcoin right now, because we can be seeing that we are literally exactly recreating the last beginning of Q1, so basically January of 2024. It's exactly the same as we are doing in 2025 right now on the 12-hour time frame over here, and we are creating exactly the same breakout on the Fibonacci 0.6 level over here. We are creating exactly the same breakout, and this is looking extremely bullish, because once we break above here, we will see that massive rally to the upside. And of course, it's not only this chart, it's just the fact that it falls together with all this other information that we are right now at this crucial with a breakout point over here. And we are also seeing that we had like if we zoom in a little bit, that once we broke above this resistance, we did came back down a little bit over here, and after that we saw that bounce already. So that's looking very positive, and we can literally break out any moment from here. So this is definitely a chart I'm taking a very close look at, because I think we will see something very similar as that has happened in 2024 before, and maybe it will even more crazy because of that inauguration, of course. And yeah, of course, we are trading in the weekend, so we have been creating a CME gap. We are seeing we are just hovering around the CME gap of 104k. If we will move much higher, we will probably come back to this 104k. If we will move much lower, we will probably come back to this 104k. So yeah, basically there's not that much going on right now. We are still trading in this short consolidation zone, and we are literally on the point of breaking out. We are breaking out right now, so that's looking very good, and then we will see this massive continuation to the upside, just like what happened in 2024, of course. So yeah, I'm definitely very excited about that. You can also draw this in like bull flags, of course, and there we can kind of see the same thing. We are at this crucial turning point right now, and once we complete this turning point, I think we will see that move higher for Bitcoin, all the way up to price targets over 150k. So yeah, I'm definitely super excited about that. And this is also a very important chart, because if we take this chart in consideration, we can see it we breaking out of this small of short consolidation zone right here, and exactly that point is like crucial resistance for Bitcoin right now, because it is the resistance line of the 2021 top over here from last bull market. So I think if we break this resistance line, we are going so much higher, and it will be like a very hard resistance to break to, but I think it will happen next week, and that's exactly why I think Bitcoin will hit those new all-time highs last week, because it's also exactly the point Bitcoin has been rejected from the latest all-time high. It's just a super important resistance level. So I'm definitely watching this chart very closely, and I'm looking forward to see what's about to happen over here. If we take a dive into the Bitcoin dominance, so if we take a dive into altcoins, basically, we can see that after each inauguration, Donald Trump in 2017, Biden in 2021, and right now, Donald Trump again in 2025, we always see that massive move to the downside for that Bitcoin dominance. And I think history will be exactly repeating here. So it's looking very positive for altcoins, and there is still so much room to grow right now. And yeah, we can also see that, of course, the Bitcoin dominance is still trading in this resistance zone. We are right now retesting this resistance zone, so that is looking very good in my opinion, because once we see that rejection here, we will see a massive move to the downside in my opinion. So that's definitely looking very positive, and this rising wedge is just such a massive bearish indicator. So yeah, that's definitely looking very good for altcoins right now. And we can also see, if you just don't believe the Bitcoin dominance charts on itself, we can also combine it with, for example, the crypto total market cap right now. So basically everything, Bitcoin, altcoins, everything. We can see that each time we break to the previous all-time high on the market cap, on the crypto total market cap over here, we can see each time we exactly do that, you can see that at exactly that moment, the Bitcoin dominance also takes a massive dump to the downside, and we are exactly at that turning point right now. So history seems to be exactly repeating. History seems to be exactly in line with what we have been expecting for the last few months now. So I'm definitely very excited, and I'm hoping altcoin season will come quick, because everything is aligning right now. It's looking super good. So yeah, why not? And yeah, also on the total 2 chart over here, we can basically see that we're still trading in this massive bullish triangle. Of course, I'm expecting a breakout from here up to this red circle over here, which is basically basically previous all-time highs. And once we break above this all-time highs, we will also see, of course, see that massive continuation to the upside. So I'm definitely very excited to see what's about to happen over there. So yeah, this was basically the update video for today. Not much more to tell right now, and I will speak to you guys in the next update video. Peace out, goodbye.